Explaining a Bureau is a partnership between young people, the Youth Justice Board and Media Academy Cardiff around what happens to young people when they're arrested in Wales. The project is aimed at giving skills to young people in media production and also producing a product that allows families and young people who may touch the criminal justice system to know exactly what happens to them when they are arrested.
It's been very fun, very enjoyable and memorable. I've met a lot of new friends. The staff have been very welcoming and very helpful with the work.
It's helped me discover what I want to do in life. We've done certain skills in here I've really not thought about in the past, and now I've done them here. I thought, okay, well, this is interesting, so this might be an interesting step to take next.
My name is Wayne Boucher. I'm the manager of the Boatyard Music Studio, which is part of the umbrella project, the Tanyard Youth Project in Pembroke. We're all about bespoke tutoring in the arts, and that's music, film, photography. Pembroke is one of the poorest areas in Wales. It's on the index of multiple deprivation, so it's really important that young people from all economic backgrounds get an education in the arts that everyone deserves.
It is really important to have something like this in the community. It's for people to meet loads of friends, and it's really good. I've learned a little bit of the drums, a little bit piano, ukulele, guitar. I want to do music when I'm older, and with the Tanyard and the studio, it's going to really help me.
What I like most about the Tanyard is that it's like a family, really, and you get to share things with your friends and that. It's just something you want to be a part of. What I've learnt from coming here is just go for it, don't be afraid to try something new.
Our project was called Our Space, and basically we created a video to talk about our youth club being closed down, because we wanted to show how many opportunities we'll miss if we don't have a youth club and how it affects young people around in this area.
So we did a show 3 times a day for a week in Tate in London, and then we performed in front of people. So we performed a bit about what we did, then we showed a film at the end of what we created.
I think a project like this is important for young people because it doesn't just put our point across, it goes to show what other young people could achieve and what other young people could go on to do in the future. And I think that if anyone has something to say, that this project hopefully showed them that it is okay for you to spread your words, say what you have to say.